Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change multiple row height in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet. Then selection. Select any any row number. Example 3 and select 12 cells. Then hold shift. Select or click randomly multiple select cell. Hold control, select multiple row. Then right click on your mouse, resize selected rows, click here, and now see this pixels. Example 14 or fit to data as you wish. 14 pixels, click OK, and now we can see this sense multiple row height. Again, right click, 25. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.